Hey guys, welcome back to September day 6. So in today's video, I'm going to show you my nighttime skincare routine after I am back from a vacation. It has taken a toll on my skin. As you can see, it's very clogged and dry, and it also has a lot of active pimples. So this is what I do usually on those days that my skin doesn't feel the best. So I removed all of my makeup by using the Clean It Zero cleansing balm. This is from a Korean brand called Banilla & Co, and I really like it. And then I washed my face using the Kiehl's Calendula foaming face wash. I poured it onto my Foreo Luna, and then I cleaned my face. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the Innisfree wine peeling jelly onto a cotton pad and swipe that all over my face. Now this is going to take care of all of the excess dead skin on my skin. I haven't used this for the longest time because I was away for 10-15 days and I did not carry this along with me. I missed it so much. So it really makes my skin feel soft as a baby's bum, and it just lifts out all of the dirt on top and just makes my skin glow. Now first I'm going to use the AC Cleanup Pink Powder Mask. This is acne clearing range from Etude house. So I'm going to use this face mask on top of any active acne. I am going to multi-mask. And then I'm going to take the Kiehl's Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask and apply that on the rest of my face where I did not apply the AC face mask. Now this face mask is really thick. It's very clarifying. So I like to use this on days that my skin feels very clogged. It just helps in getting rid of any of the excess sebum, dirt and oil on my skin. I'm just going to let this sit for 15-20 minutes. And then once I have washed off my face, I like to use a tissue paper to get rid of any excess water. It already feels so much cleaner. Now I'm going to take the Kiehl's Nightly Refining Micro Peel Concentrate and apply that on my skin first, followed by using the Creamy Eye Treatment as an eye cream today. I really like this. It's very moisturizing and hydrating, and this is just what my eyes need. Next, I'm going to apply the Face Shop Yevadam Serum on my face. I really like how this works on my skin. It just makes my skin glow and just infuses a lot of moisture onto my skin. And once that is settled in, I'm going to apply my night mask. This is the Innisfree Wine Jelly Night Mask. This is to be used as the last step of your night skincare routine. I love using this, and I'm just going to apply like a thick layer of it all over my face. Now what this is going to do is just lock in the hydration, and it because it's just a jelly-like concentration, this is going to lock in all of the moisture that I've applied, and also it is a skin smoothener, so it's going to like gently remove all of the excess dead skin. So in the morning my skin looks amazing. And then lastly, I am going to spot correct all of my pimple. This is the AC Spot treatment from Etude house again. I'm taking it onto a earbud and I'm just applying it on top of each pimple. So that's it. Time for me to fall asleep now. So this is what my skin looks like the next morning. I literally just opened my eyes. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.